Morning everyone, welcome to this session number 375, and today I continue with this problem. I hope that I complete in this session. In the previous session I remember that I am using a few variables. It's here. What is happening here? Concurrent modification exception. What? Let me remember what is happening here. This temp remove. Why is temp remove? Temp. What is temp? Is this temp remove? Okay. It's copy the values. Copy hash set without reference. No. Yeah, because I am copying the reference for the reason. Is this? It's equal new hash set in this. Because it's null. Null pointer exception. This is getting null. I think that is get or default. And the default is what is this? Buses is hash set, right? New hash set. Less one. Okay. Here is the roads. Here is the stops. And if happen this, basically return another case is false. Now having this, I have the cross between the roots right here. Connection between roots. And in this case, well, I have all the elements, but in this point, all the elements that only contain one value means that it's ignored. It's only I only need the registers that contains 2 or more elements in the hash set. And for example, this and now buses, that is this. You know what? I think that is for this buses map. buses map. Yeah, because I am using again here buses. Buses. The here is change. Change. In this case, I have the this is the values. Okay, this is the connection basically. I am iterate over the connection, and I need to ask if the connection is is not contained in the bus map. I create the register. I remove. I create the temp with the buses. That is this. I remove the element, and here I add these buses without the current bus. For example, if here return like this, the first item is this. Okay, I save this value in the map, the 2. With this, and for the other is basically this without itself. Yeah, like this. This is the idea behind this this code. Now where here is buses what? Buses map. Wireless one. For example, we have this connection. 0 go to the 1 and 1 go to the 2. And here, until this point, I think that buses map contains this reference. The bus 2 is connected with the 3, 1, and 4, and the bus 3 is connected with the 2, blah blah blah. It's an indirect grab. And now I have the queue. Now I have this stuff. So starting in the source. In this case, the source is for example, this is the 1 is here. And I'm getting all the elements. Okay, I think that here scene I need add the source. I still returning this one. Okay, I need to check what is the value of the elements until this point here. 1, 2, 7, 3, 6. Now Q contains 1, and the source is 1. It contains only 1. Why 1? 1, 2, and 7 the only connection is the 7. Okay, in this case, this is the root, every stop, and here is map.get stop, and add the bus, the current bus, that is the 0. Stop 1, 2, and 7 are in the bus 0, and next to the 3, 6, and 7 is in the bus 1. Now the next step is I get the values. In this case, this is map the stops. The stop 1 only contain map.values. Stop 1 is the bus 1. That's it. The stop 2 is the bus the bus 0. The 7 is the bus 0 and 1 because I put in both. Now here 0 and 1. I think that this is a 7. The buses should we have this. I think that is reference to the 7. Now let me check. B, what is B? B is 0. Well, yeah, obviously. Okay, yeah. I am saying that the bus 0 contains the 1, and in the next is the bus 1 is connected with the bus 0. Now and in this case the source is stop by route map. What is this? I think is this. This should we have the source. The source is 1, means that should we have the, this is wrong, this is bus. It's not a stop, it's the bus. Or no? Because I am trying to get I think that this is not necessary because it's only 2 values, and I have to merge this. Yeah, it's not necessary. This is enough only with 2 variables. Integer bus source sorry, here is target, and here is a bus, and here is the same target. Yeah. and here is add the queue boost source target. Let me check. I need to check the constraint. It's possible that the target or the I think that the source is possible to all the values roots are unique. Ah, sorry. But here don't appear any comment related with if it's possible that the array uh, doesn't contain these values. But well, I think that I can assume that always will appear. And stop by root map target. The connections. Now I have the values here in the queue. Set target. This is connection between roots, but I think that here is buses. Here should we have a buses map? Come on, because it's null. Okay, this is the bus. Okay. This is the map. The stuff with the bus, basically. Bus's map contains the bus with the stations. Map, that is this map, have the stop in the bus. Yeah, connection with the bus. Now here I am getting the only the buses, that in this case, for example, the bus 2. Now we need to ask, buses map contains the 2? No, in this case it's saving. I getting the buses that is 2 and 1. I remove the 2 and I save 2 is connection. Here the buses are connected. Yeah, in this point. Now here I have the queue. I add the why the target. This is wrong. it's only the bus source, because I am starting in this point, and buses map, I am getting the target. This is wrong. This should be bus. No, this is wrong. It's bus target. Yeah, because we need know bus target. Bus target. I think that I need to come back. I see why I was using a hash map, because the target could be appear in many element, in many um, mm, in many routes. You know, not only in one. It's in many. Um, yeah. New hash set, and that's it. Source dot add, and here is the same dot add. And now source. No, this is wrong. This is target. And now here, what appear here? Q. For the reason I have the. I need the bus source, that is the beginning, contains multiple buses, maybe, or routes. Maybe it's in the route 0, 3, 9, whatever. And now I mark the source as a visit. Yeah. Here I mark this bus as a visit. No, it's not necessary, because here I am doing, it's only necessary. I am mark this as a visit. Yeah. Now we have the target. In this case is bus target. Yeah. New hash set this. Come on. Why is still a peerless one? I need to check what is happening here because I don't understand why I'm getting this. Okay, in this point, map contains that the stop 1, 2, and 3 appear, no, 1 and 2 appear in index 0, 3 appear in index in the bus 1, 6 appear in, and this is the only that, okay, until this point we are okay. Now, after this bus map should be contains this graph, basically is the graph. Bus's map is 0 go to the 1 and 1 go to the 0, and bus source appear only in the is this well, at least appear a different value, but let me check. Okay, bus target appear in the 1 and the bus source appear in the 0. And now next that is go to this bus map. This is the undirect graph, and we still knowing that the bus source appear in this. Basically, I need to start with these stations. The queue only contain one element, okay. Now it's executing this, bus increasing 1. I think that is for this counter in which moment increase. Here okay, I think that is for this, but I am forgetting something here. The buses, this is wrong. It's not necessary this. I need return here how many different buses I had until this point. Yeah, in this case, for example, bus target, set target. Okay, I think that is working, but I need to calculate the how many buses. I think that for example, if I start in 0, I had the idea to have a hash set and only add the what is the bus, because in this case the queue contains the different buses. Because for example here, this is the bus 0 and bus 1. Okay, now this is the I start here uh, but I can only choose one of these buses. For example, the 0, I start with the 0. Transversal, I remove the bus 0. Yeah. I mark it as a visit. Now I need to check is contained in the item. No. Mm, 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 mm. In this case, all of them are bosses. Here I remove, I add is the bus 0 contains the is contained in the target. For example, no. Let's ignore this and now go to the next. I think that is here. If I have a hash set that save these possible options, get the bus 0, it's at in the scene. As the target is ignored. Now the map. For example, if I save this in a hash set, no. In this point, yeah, I have the low here because okay. Yeah, I think that I need to save the current bus for every of this because, for example, I have the connection 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 go to the 2 and 3, and 2 go to the 1, and 3 go to the 0, for example. And if I start here, basically only return 1, okay. This and this. I transversal, I remove the first, I mark as a visit, is contained here, no. Yeah, I think that in this point I need to change this BFS for a DFS because with the DFS, for example, I can go to this and this go to this and this go to this, and for example, okay, it's not found. Now the next that, for example, the other path is this, go to this, and this go to this, and this go to this. For example, do you imagine that this is the target? I found, and I can calculate how many different buses take, because in this case, I'm sure that because I combine the process, and this is the problem in this point. I don't know how many buses take. Yeah, because for example, this is the initial points. The source is possible in the bus 0 and in the bus 1. But how can I distinguish between both? Yeah, I think that I need to change this. What do you think? Because yesterday I was thinking that maybe another way to solve this problem is starting to the final and come back, try to reach. No, but it's the same. No. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, I think that is with DFS, at least with this approach, is with DFS and put the boost target as an initial point, and if found the one of these elements, it's return the value and save how many different boosts take to reach this. Okay, I think that I will check the answer. PFS, boost stops and nodes. Let me check. Num. Uh-huh. Mm, mm, mm. Well, I think that this is very similar to the map. Root air. Aha, this is the boost. Well, I think that this is very similar to my approach. Now Q. Insert all the roots in the queue that have the source stop. But here, how distinguish the okay. Here, for every iteration, it's a new bus. Counter. No, it's not here. Is here. Counter plus plus. But one test. I will submit, but I don't think that works. 44. Because it's the same. But if it's the same, yeah, sure. 5 and 5. That is this. You need to take 0. In this case, instead of this is 0. Why? How this return 0 if it's not in the same? Oh, no, 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 no. Are true? No, in this case, both are false. Go to the next source. Ah, ah, ah. Flag source. Okay, this is not execute in this point. Or yeah. Why? Why is true and true? It's because the source is in the target. Got it. I know what. Here, what happened this is this, and where, yeah, I understood. Source, it's equal target, return 0, because you don't need take any boost. But if you are, if the stop and or the source and the target are in the same route, but at the beginning and at the final of the T route, you need to take the boost to reach. Mm-hmm. Oh. Okay. Well, I think that I am tired to check this problem. I think that I will check in another session and try to learn what is happening. But well, thanks for following this transmission, and I hope see you in the next. Bye bye.